In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change gamepad controls in GTA 5 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to customize your gamepad or controller controls for GTA 5 on PC. This is because if you go inside of the game, you will have gamepad options and you can kind of change the controls. They will have some customizable options and they allow you to visualize them here. But if you go into keybinds, they will state right here. Please note that this screen can only be used for custom input mapping of keyboard and mouse and not any other controllers. So you cannot change inside of the game. However, there is an extremely simple workaround that will allow you to change the keybinds. To do this, you need to use Steam because Steam has a feature called Steam Input, which allows you to customize your controller inputs. So if you own GTA 5 on Steam, then just follow along. But if you don't, then you will have to add it. So click the option at the bottom left, add a game, and then add a non-Steam game. So if you own GTA 5 through Epic Games or through other means, you have to browse through your computer and find the executable file for the game and add it onto your Steam library. Once it is here, right-click the game, Properties, and go to Controller. Enable Steam Input, and then under Controller Configurator, this is where you will be able to change your controller. So if you go to View Layout, you will see the current layout that you are using. All of the buttons are default, so the A button, of course, is the A button, B is B, and so on. If you go to Edit Layout, now you are able to change everything. So let's say, for example, I want the A button to be assigned to the B button instead. So what I can do is I can go over here, choose the option to change it to the B button, and then do the same with the B button, where I change it to A. So it is extremely customizable. There is a lot of things that you can change. You will be able to change every single button, the D-pad, triggers, and even the joysticks. You can set up custom actions. So if I go again over here, you will be able to set up gamepad actions, mouse actions, keyboard actions, numpad actions, action sets, system, and even camera, to where you are able to move your camera with a single button press. So it is extremely fun to spend some time and customize all of these. Once everything is done, you can close out of this window, and you need to run the game through Steam, so keep that in mind. I'm going to revert the changes here, but like I said before, as long as you run the game through Steam with Steam Input enabled, all of the keybinds will be changed. I hope I was able to help you on how to change gamepad controls in GTA 5 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.